Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Edmond's channel. This is Jan 2026 P4 walkthrough. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the content, leave a message for me if you need more clarification, or let me know what you need me to cover in the next video. Thank you. Next question, question three, part A, they're asking us to factorize. So we are factorizing x squared minus 4y squared. You can obviously see that this is a difference of two squares, so it's x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y. That's part A. Part B, they're asking us to use proof by contradiction to prove that there are no positive integers for this equation here. So the first statement is to the first step is to get the negation. So you have to get a negation. So as the negation is that the negation is that we are going to say that there are positive integers. There are positive integers x and y. There are positive integers x and y such that x squared minus 4y squared is equal to what? Is equal to 7. That's the negation. So we need to prove the negation. If we can prove the negation is wrong, that means it contradicts the first statement that you're trying to prove. All right, so that means what you're saying here is that there are existing numbers. That means x squared minus 4y squared is equal to 27. If you're going to solve this, it means that we can factorize this to have x plus 2y and also x minus 2y is equal to 27. Now what we do, we are going to try to solve this equation. So if these two numbers, if the product of these two brackets is 27, it means that these two brackets can either be either 3 and 9, or they can be 27 and 27 and 1. We are trying to look at positive numbers because we say the numbers are positive, so we're using only positive numbers. All right, that means we have either x plus 2y is equal to 9 or x minus 2y is equal to 3. That's the first pair of the possibility. The next pair is either x plus 2y is equal to 27 or x minus 2y is equal to 1. That's the next possibility. So what we're going to do, we are going to solve these two possibilities and see what you can end up with. Now, one other thing you have to be careful about here is that someone can ask me here, what if you say that x plus 2y is equal to 3, and then x minus 2y is equal to 9. Why didn't you use these and you ended up using this one over here? Or why didn't you say that x plus 2y is equal to 1 and x minus 2y is equal to 27? The reason is we say that x and y are positive integers. If they are positive integers, this one over here, which is x plus 2y, should be bigger than. So the x plus 2y should be bigger than the x minus y, the x minus 2y, since they are positive, integers. All right, that's why we cannot take this combination here. All right, so what you do now, you have to solve this equation simultaneously. You can solve this equation simultaneously and get an answer, and also solve this one here simultaneously and get an answer. I'll solve them and then get an answer here. For this, these are just linear simultaneous equation. There's no expectation of you showing you're working out. So you see over here that x is equal to 6 and y will be 1.5. And for this pair, I'll change the color. For this pair, you have x as equal to 14 and y as equal to negative 6.5. So you can see it already contradicts your statement over here, because you said your negation, you say that there are positive integers x and y. So you can see already this is not an integer, and also this is not an integer, and moreover it is also what? Negative. Therefore you can say therefore this contradicts the assumption. Contradicts the assumption. Which assumption talking about? This assumption you have made over here. Contradicts the assumption. Therefore, the first statement is correct. The first statement is correct. There are no positive integer solution for that. You make the conclusion. That's it for this question.